Hi dear students, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to study the first session of chapter 4 Simple Equations. In class 6th we have learned about equations in one variable and how to find their solutions. In this chapter we will study simple equations in one variable and the use of simple equations in our daily life. What's an equation? An equation is a condition on a variable. What's a variable? A variable is something that can vary. It assumes different numerical values. Its value is not fixed. In variable, we use the letters such as x, y, z, l, m, n, a, b, c, etc. That is, use the alphabetical letters. From variables, we form expressions by performing operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Clear? Next, an equation is a condition on a variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. That is, an equation contains an equality sign. Equation contains an equality sign. 2x plus 3 equal to 4. It contains an equality sign. Then, not at least one of the two expressions must contain a variable. An equation remains the same when the expression of the left and right side values are same. That is, an equation contains two sides, both sides. That is, this left side, that is LHS, and right side, that is RHS. These both values are same. Then that equation satisfied. Clear? That is, an equation is a condition on a variable. Equation contains an equality sign. Clear? The value of the expression depends the value of the variable. In this equation, 2x plus 3 equal to 9. Which is the variable here? X is the variable. 2x plus 3 equal to 9. We substitute which value for x? This equation is satisfied. Let's check. First we substitute x equal to 1. 2 into 1 plus 3. What's the value? 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 3 we get 5. It's not equal to what? Here we get 2x plus 3 equal to 5. It's not equal to what? 9. That is, x equal to 1 is not satisfied this equation. Next we take x equal to 2. Substitute the value. 2 into 2 plus 3. We get 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. It's not equal to 9. Then next, x equal to 3. Here we get, substitute the value. 2 into 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3 equal to what? 9. That is, x equal to 3. This equation satisfied both LHS and RHS. Therefore, this x equal to 3 is called what? The solution of the equation. X equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. Clear? Let's write the following statement in the form of equation. That is, the first statement, the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. Sum of 3 times x. 3 times means what? 3 is multiplied by x. That is, sum of 3 times x. 3 times x means 3 into x. Sum of 3 times x. 3 into x plus 11 is equal to 32. That is, we can again write this one as 3x plus 11 equal to 32. The equation is 3x plus 11 equal to 32. Clear? That is the sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. 3 times x, 3 into x, that is 3x. 3x plus 11 equal to 32. Next, another example. 2 subtracted from y is 8. 2 is subtracted from y. How to write that? Y minus 2. 2 is subtracted from y. Y minus 2. That is equal to what? 8. Clear? Consider another one. 1/3 of a number plus 5 is 8. 1/3 of a number. Here, let's consider that number is x. 1/3 of a number. 1/3 means 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of a number. That is 1 by 3x. Plus 5. 1 by 3x plus 5 equal to 8. 1 by 3x plus 5 equal to 8. Clear? Next, another one. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. 1/4 of a number x. That means what? 1/4 of a number x. 1 by 4x. Minus 4. 1 by 4x minus 4. Gives what? Gives 4. 1 by 4x minus 4 equal to 4. All of you understood how to write the given statement in the form of equation? Okay, thank you students.